Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina, and today's video we're gonna give this waterfall desk and nightstand a makeover. First thing I did is sanding my pieces. I started with 120 grit, then 220 to smooth it out. The finish was peeling and it was really old, so I had to sand it off. This is how they look after I sanded everything. I noticed there's a couple spots that I had to fill, so I'm using Bondo. It's kind of a repair kit. You can buy it online. They use it kind of for cars, but it smells really strong. But it's really cool for furniture because it dries fast and it gets really hard. After I was done with it, I left it for almost half an hour or 45 minutes, then it was dry. It usually dries faster than that, but I will give it more time, and I'll just give it light sanding with 220 grit so I can have a smooth finish. For the bottom, I had to glue a little bit of veneer so I can have a perfect ready desk to be painted. It's time to clean my piece. I'm using TSP. I buy the powder one. I mix it with water, soak my piece with it, and brush it. Use a brush to clean it, wipe it down, and let it dry. After it dries, I start painting using Zinsser cover stain primer. It's oil based to prevent any leaking. Then I will sand it again with 220 sanding grit so I can have like a smooth finish before I start painting. After I was done priming, I wanted to add a little bit details on the nightstand and desk, and here I added a mold called Everleigh Flourish. It's by Resin with Prima, and I used the amazing clear cast resin to make the mold. And I let it dry, of course, for a few hours, then start painting my piece. Yay, finally. I'm using here two colors by Country Chic Paint. Hurricane is the gray one, and Nightfall, the kind of bluish. It's actually darker in the picture than it's in the video. Maybe because of the lights in my studio, it could be. I did two coats. First coat, I didn't blend my colors. The second one, I start blending my colors, and I added a little bit water, like I used the mist bottle if I felt like my colors started drying. Okay, I used the glue E6000 to glue my molds to my pieces, and I usually tape them for about an hour to let it dry, then just paint over the molds. After I let my pieces dry for a few hours, they actually dry faster than that, but I usually give it more time so I can make sure it is dry. I just added a little bit of my paint. I noticed it's kind of getting dry faster than I thought. That I sprayed it with water. I'm using the mist bottle, and I'm using the Country Chic Paint 1.5 inches oval brush It's perfect for this blending. So if you see, I didn't want the blending to be like there is a line between the light color and the dark. I wanted the blending to be like perfect. And not only that, it's like kind of messy, foggy, kind of, you know what I'm saying? So I just start blending my colors, moving my brush left, right, up, down. It's like not in one direction. And this is how I got the perfect. At least to me, it's perfect. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this blending or these two colors together, so I can know if I did a great job or not. I did use only one brush. It's the same brush for both colors, even for the first coat or second coat or the blending. Was done, I added a little bit Nightfall. It's the light blue color on the top side, so I can have a little bit bright or kind of light shade on the top part. And here I want to show you really fast how I did the whole process, and this process was done to the whole pieces. I mean my two pieces, the nightstand and the desk. The nightstand, I even blended colors on inside the door. I'm using Beautiful Things Transfer by Redesign with Prima, and remember I used it from my last project and I told you it has a lot of flowers on it. It's kind of separated so you can use it on different flowers. This actually the leftovers from my last project. I'm gonna put the link up if you would like to watch my last project. colors I used Elegantly Stencil and their Rose Gold wax. Also both of them by Redesign with Prima. I'm leaving all links in the description box. Check it out. I think I forgot to mention the most important part of this wax that smells so good. I don't know what Prima company is doing, but I swear this wax smells so good. Like my hands smell good, my brush, everything, even my workshop starts smelling different. I love it. Same rose gold wax on the mold so we can pop all these beautiful details up. Done. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please let me know if you like it, or if you have any comments, leave it down. I'll read it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.